Welcome to the Digital Success for Business Growth podcast. This is the #1 place for entrepreneurs to learn proven marketing strategies to actually help you grow your business online. My name's Leanne Cohens. I am the Digital Success Coach and the owner of the agency Marketing Leap. And as a marketer, my focus is to actually help you lose the marketing overwhelm. In these podcasts, I will give you tools and strategies to help you springboard your business to success by sharing what I've learned in over 25 years as a marketer and over 30 years as a business owner. And yes, I started very young. Constantly applying what works over the last 10 years of running my digital agency by offering entrepreneurs like yourself business marketing strategies. I believe that marketing is the single most important element when it comes to business success. And that's what this podcast is all about. Helping you grow your business through proven, effective, modern marketing strategies so that you can help more people and make a lot more money doing it.
Hitting go live or record can be daunting, and editing and creating can often be harder. So how can you make creating content for YouTube a little bit easier? Today, I'm going to be sharing 5 effective tools that you can use to create some really great YouTube videos. Hi everyone, it's Leanne Cohens here, Digital Success Coach and owner of the agency Marketing Leap. My passion is actually to help business owners demystify the online space and digital marketing through educational courses and training to actually give you some marketing clarity so you have an understanding of exactly what it is that you're doing when you show up online. As well as that, I also have a full service digital marketing agency where we do all the fun stuff that business owners absolutely love. Today we're going to be talking about the 5 different tools that you can use when it comes to creating some fantastic content for your YouTube videos. The internet is actually dominated by digital information, and for the last couple of weeks we've been talking about video and YouTube video and how to make it easier to create the content, because it's so easy to become lost when you start with an idea and start moving forward. And quite often I see business owners chopping and changing all the time because they're not too sure what they should be doing, what they should be talking about, and how to actually create video and turn it into content that will make you money. So with the correct content production tools, you can actually make video production and planning really easy. And knowing exactly what to use speeds up the process, it gets rid of the overwhelm, so you can just focus on creating content that your ideal clients really, really want to see. And will also help you with your insights and give you better results. Here are 5 of the best tools that we use, and we use them for our clients in Marketing Leap and also with the video that I'm doing here today. First one that we use is StreamYard, and I'm actually on StreamYard right now. And I've talked about this quite a bit, especially when it comes to creating content using video. As I've mentioned in previous videos, I go live in Facebook and LinkedIn and a couple of other places, and that then gets turned into YouTube videos. So one of the best ways of doing this is to actually record a live video, because you can interact with people as you go, and it gets streamed straight away into different social media channels. But the reason that I use StreamYard is because it is a web-based media studio that allows you to record, to capture, share and broadcast not just the video, but it will also give you the audio content as well directly from your laptop or from your browser. And depending on the particular level that you want will determine how many different social media platforms you can actually stream into at the same time. So it actually, like I said, allows you to stream into so many different social media platforms and communicate with the people watching across those platforms as well. As far as doing interviews and sharing screens and things like that, StreamYard is fantastic and it's solid. The next one is actually using your editing. So one of the biggest ones is Adobe Premiere. Now, after we download the video, my team will actually go in and edit the video and include B-rolls and different effects and audio editing features if the sound's not too good. And they use that with a customized editing interface. Now, Adobe Premiere is probably one of the most well-known. It's also one of the most expensive ones, and it allows you to basically create anything you like. So Adobe Premiere is actually used for TV, movies, social media, the works. So you can play with colors and fine-tune sounds and things like that. But one of the ones that I usually recommend to clients, and I'll just see if I can share my screen here, is Filmora. Now, the reason that I recommend Filmora, and you can just see it on the screen here, is because it is a lot cheaper. I think it works out to like $49 for the year compared to Adobe Premiere, and you can do pretty much the same thing. You can change the audio, you can add in all sorts of different effects and B-rolls and everything. And they have a great training academy here as well. If you're not interested in spending the huge amount of money that Adobe charges on a monthly basis, have a look at Filmora from Wondershare, and I'll put a link to them below as well, because they're a great way of actually creating video. The third one then is actually having a transcription tool. Again, what we do is we will actually download the video, we will send the video off to be transcribed, and from there we create social media posts, we create blogs. One of our favorite ones to use is Rev, and this is why. And there's lots of automated ones out there. I know Adobe Premiere has one. We trialed that, but quite frankly, for the amount of time that was needed for us to go in and change the transcription, it really just wasn't worth our time. So what we do is we use Rev. It works out about $1 a minute. It is a human transcription service. And what I love is that you can actually go in as the video is playing, and you can see here, you can actually update the transcript, and it literally takes 60 seconds to go in, have a look at the transcription, or you can watch the whole 10-minute video and just make sure that everything aligns. It's entirely up to you. Great thing is that you can change it depending on your language, whether you use US spelling or UK spelling, and same with casual words and things like that. So it's one of the best editor tools that we've found, and it's a really great simple upload process. And like I said, we've tried and tested a few of them. Another really good one is Otter AI, which is OTTER.ai. But, we always keep coming back to Rev because it's just simple and it's easy. Now, the fourth tool is TubeBuddy. Now, YouTube SEO is one of the simplest and least expensive ways of growing a YouTube channel. So, while most marketing tactics are and technologies are actually expensive and time consuming, optimizing and SEO is search engine optimization is not. Having a tool like TubeBuddy, which is, again, it's a very minimal monthly subscription. I think it's about $9 a month, and it lets you delve into rankings and tags of other videos. You can actually see what's working, add them to your videos. They give you an idea of titles that are working, and actually help you optimize your videos so that you will show up in the suggested and on the explore when people are actually on YouTube. The great thing about that is when you need the next tool, which is the fifth tool, which is Canva, because if you make it to the explore or the suggested page, it's suggested section on the side of a video, if you've got an eye-catching thumbnail, that's what's going to make people stop and watch a video, or at least check it out for the first 30 seconds to see, whether it is something they want to keep watching. Canva is actually the fifth tool because it allows you to create some really great eye-catching YouTube thumbnails. And like I said, that is what's going to allow people, get people to stop exactly the same as any other social media post and pay attention to what it is that, or want to see what it is that your video is about. With Canva, you can add text and design elements, you can add pictures, and it just means that when people come to your channel as well, you've got a really great aligned imagery all the way through that's going to want to make people click through and watch your videos. There you go. They're just the 5 main tools when it comes to actually creating content and getting your videos out there. And they are firstly StreamYard to stream into the different social media platforms and to be able to get a file that you can actually download and work with. The second one is either Adobe Premiere or Filmora to actually help you edit the videos. And the only difference between those two is what you want to pay, because Filmora has just as many features for a business owner as what Adobe Premiere has. Then, of course, the third one is either Rev or Otter AI for your transcriptions. TubeBuddy to make sure that your videos are optimized and that they are going to show up in the search section of YouTube. And then the fifth one is Canva, just to make sure that you are creating some really thumb-stopping thumbnails to grab people's attention and make them want to watch your video. So I hope that has been of some value to you today. And if you're still struggling to figure out exactly how YouTube works and you want to grow your channel and stand out, my business growth with YouTube course will probably be for you. It's a 6-module course, and once you work through it, you'll actually have not only a clear understanding of how to use YouTube and videos in your marketing strategy, but you'll actually have your YouTube channel set up correctly. You'll have a marketing strategy in place, and the overwhelm will be gone as far as just getting in, creating video and growing your business using YouTube and video. So I'll put the link to that 6-module course below. If an online course isn't really your thing, then I also do structured mentoring. I have a 12-week one-on-one digital success program, which we can have a bit of a chat about and see if it's a fit for you, as well as individual coaching packages. Let me know if that's something that you're interested. Post a comment below. And of course, always, we have a full service digital agency. So if it's not something that you want to do yourself, any aspect when it comes to digital marketing, I have a complete team of experts that we can do for you. So next week, we're switching up the pace a little bit and talking about websites, and I will be going through the different website platforms that are available to business owners and what you should be using depending on what your core business is. So in the meantime, guys, have an amazing week, and I will see you again next week. Bye for now.
Thank you for listening to the Digital Success for Business podcast. Make sure you join us each week as we discuss proven marketing strategies to help you grow your business online. And don't forget to jump on and subscribe so you get notified every single time a new podcast episode goes live.